Hi, I'm Baxter Willis from the Digital Workplace team at Reply, and I'm here today to talk to you about replatforming onto the Microsoft suite. What do I mean by replatforming? I mean rebuilding a workflow, system, or an app from a third party into the Microsoft space. Customers will come to us primarily for a few benefits. One is cost. The likelihood is you are already paying for Microsoft 365 licenses for your users, so you might be able to eliminate that running cost by moving an app into that world. The second is security. So we have encryption on the Microsoft stack from transit and rest, so you're pretty safe in their hands. And then the last one is simplicity for the user. So what we want to look at here is not having the users constantly swap applications to survive and to get their work done. They're a bit more at home in the Microsoft suite. Chances are they use it today and are familiar with the UX experience, and keeping it at home makes it simpler for the user. So with those benefits in mind, customers often come to us to see if they can rebuild or simplify that app into Microsoft. And that could involve a few things, typically looking under the hood of the application that is already there and also hardening the requirements. So testing, is the problem statement the same from when you originally set up this app or workflow? Often it's changed a little bit, or sometimes it's changed a lot. So we're able to not only migrate but transform whatever it is we need to do into the Microsoft space. And we should be able to give you an answer within days or weeks, this isn't months, to say, is there a home for this in Microsoft? And if the answer is yes, there's a few places it could live. One would be Power Platform. This is great for low-code automation, integration. If you're looking to grow a citizen development program as well, that's a good space to look at. The next is Teams as an app, or Teams as a platform, some people call it. This is particularly strong in frontline. If you've got calls or chats as part of the app as a big requirement, that could be a great place. Next is custom Microsoft 365, primarily SharePoint, very strong in documentation, information management. And lastly, Dynamics, and that's if you're looking at the customer interaction piece. So we would look at those typical places, that's not all of them, but they're probably the most common places that this app could land in. And be able to tell you if we're able to migrate it, transform it, and bring it home into Microsoft. And now we recognize that Microsoft is not always the right answer for every problem, but we think it's at least worth considering or discovering if you can bring it into that suite. Lucky for you, Reply is a well-decorated solutions partner in all those areas. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know if you can replatform, get in touch.